Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are doing a quick sketch of a person in a speed skating pose. And the speed skating pose, although yes, central to a speed skater, is very important in the sense that it is a dynamic pose that can be used in a variety of channels like comics or illustrations bordering on action and whatnot. So we are putting in the head right there, arm stretching out right there. That is the left arm. I'm going to put in one arm right here. So right now we're going with the easy part. Now there's extreme foreshortening in this one, so you will have to go wild with the imagination that the torso is extremely crunched. So chest going right backward and torso ending just somewhere there. And it will of course be behind this arm most likely by the time we are done. The lower torso is somewhere right there. Middle of the torso is there. And after that we have the leg right there. And then in a foreshortening stance we have one knee pretty much somewhere there with the shin here. So now that we have these elements in place, we can start to put our skater together. I'm going to pick a lighter color so that we can play around with it a little more by the time we are done. So we have the face right here. So eyes, nose, mouth can go right around in that area and it'll be fine. And then we have arm, and I'm going to put in a hand. Sometimes they have open fingers, so you could do either or and it will still work. So there's the chest, collarbone all tucked in, everything is nice and smug, and I'm bringing out the arm right there, and just for a little dynamic action I put that arm with the hand outstretched. Torso, as I had said, that it will be all foreshortened. Going all the way back there, and then I lay out the leg like that. With one foot going perhaps that way. Of course we have blades and all that, but I'm not focusing on that. We're focusing on the pose essentially, and not the get-up of the speed skater, to see how we can play around with this in different ways. And then I have that leg not too far from the rest of the body, but yes, it's a bit in the front and usually coming across like that when there's a blade right underneath. So that is the person in a crouching position now, but we have to show a portion of the back right there and bring the delt inside. That would be more accurate, because he's hunched, and you can even bring the head lower yet. So we'll bring the head lower and make for that little crunch. Now what we can do with this is we can have another action also going, utilizing the same frame. And you could take, I'll just take a different pen here. So you could also go different placement of the arm right there. we recently did a running pose which was identical to this, because speed skating is pretty much like running kind of, but with a lot more grace and fluid motion. So there's the one hand right in front. I hope that you can like see that. I have not touched up the torso at all. It's just going backward the same way. But you could also have the lower torso just shifted a little bit and have, okay, and then they have the front leg coming in like that. And one leg going right to the back like that. So it all depends on, of course this looks like running, but if you have the blades and all that, you'll see that speed skaters do assume all these different stances, but at least these two stances. And you could like use these in, you know, in an action pose, for comics, for different media. So I hope it helps. Thank you very much for watching. Please do let us have your comments. Do subscribe. Keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.